Hey everyone, in this section, let's look at a sequential game in which the first player moves first, chooses a strategy, and then the second player responds to the first player's strategy. The first mover establishes a Nash equilibrium in its favor. The first mover has advantages, they are better prepared, and they can prevent entry of a rival firm. In this payoff matrix, we have two players who are two retailers, huge box and big box, and these guys have two strategies. One is build and the other is not build. If both of them decides to build, each will incur a loss of $5 million. If both of them decides to not build, each of them will just have no profit or no loss. If one builds and the other does not build, the one who builds will secure a $12 million profit and the other firm will have neither a profit nor a loss. So the Nash equilibrium will be either cell B or cell C. At either cell, both firms will have selected the best option in view of the strategy taken by the other firm. As for example, if huge box has the first mover advantage, it sets cell B as the Nash equilibrium. And if big box has the first mover advantage, it sets cell C as the Nash equilibrium. We see this kind of examples in real life where we can have a Walmart, a Home Depot, or a Costco, or a Walgreens in a certain neighborhood. However, the strategy of first mover advantage is highly risky because it requires huge amount of investment funds so that it can preclude entry by other firms in the market, and it can serve the whole market by itself. Hope this first mover advantage theory makes sense. Thank you very much.